Hello.
Hello, hello. How are you?
We're doing pretty good.
We are, except for tired boy.
Yeah, I can't stop yawning.
Migraine mama.
But we got Universal Yums.
Yes.
Which is my favorite box for obvious reasons. And this box is $15, $20, $30, how much?
$15.
$15. And you get very good snacks.
From different parts of the world.
Yes, and we have tried many different snack boxes, but this is definitely the best one we have tried.
Yeah, this is our favorite.
This one is from Thailand, the land of smiles. Get a little card from where it is. Get a little thing where you can vote on an upcoming box now.
Ooh, cool.
So you can now go to their site and decide whether you want to go to Portugal, Spain, or Croatia, which is always fun. Yeah, you can rank all of your snacks. You can actually vote for a snack that got rejected from the box. That's cool.
Offering more and more options here.
Yeah, they're getting a lot more, and then on top of that, you get a book with explanations of little facts and all of the foods. So yeah, it's pretty legit. There's
a lot of tidbit information about Thailand and the region and stuff like that. Little Q&A.
Yeah.
So you can...
It's not just food.
Yeah.
It's got like little factoids. But first we got salt and sour. I guess these are chips.
From where? Well, it's the brand.
It's something in a language that I don't understand. Enarch.
Tasto. It says Tasto at the top. Right there.
Yeah. It's very full of air.
Air. That helps the chips from breaking.
I don't know. I've never had a bag that's like this full.
Yeah. I like the salt part of it, but I'm not sure I'm going to like the sour part.
Where'd the scissors go? We've lost the scissors again.
I don't know. You're the one who threw them.
I didn't throw them.
You did throw them.
I tossed them in a general direction.
And we lost them under stuff from you throwing them.
Not thrown, tossed. Alright.
What do they look like?
They look like chips. Whoa.
Interesting
crazy.
chip. Looks like an average chip.
That's sour cream and onion. Is it not?
No. I mean, I like the texture of the chip. I like the salt. I just don't like the sour part of it.
I like these. These are really good.
You like stuff like that, though. Yeah. Pretty cool. I mean, I don't hate them. They're not like... bleh.
Next, we got...
You're looking for the scissors again.
I'm 100% looking for the scissors again. Where did I put them?
I don't know.
I found them. Found this. Oh, God forbid. Alright, next we got a different brand. Same looking kind of bag. I can't read that. It's all in... Oh, it's
Thai.
Yeah. Sweet and spicy fried potato snack. Sweet and spicy.
Mama don't like spicy.
Well, you're trying it today.
I know.
Put the scissors
right here.
Right there. And not lose them. Ooh, these are different looking chips. These are
Ooh, yeah.
They
look like a cracker, kind of.
Okay, animal cracker. But it's not an animal, it's just a cracker. Oh, it's really good. It's not even spicy.
It's probably going to have spicy kick after. No, it tastes the sweet.
Yeah, it's more sweet than spicy. That's good.
Yeah, I don't really taste the spicy, though.
It's really good, though, either way.
Yeah, it's got spicy kick after. Yeah.
Sea Roll Farm fried shrimp. This one looks kind of funky.
Fried shrimp?
Yeah, seems like most of these don't really have the brands.
Oh, it's got seaweed.
Weird. That's really weird.
Okay.
Enjoy. Oh. That's good. That's really good.
I like the seaweed part of it.
Oh, I love seaweed. Kind of like tastes like sushi.
Yeah, I don't really taste the shrimp though. Maybe a little hint of it.
That's good. All right. So everything in this box so far, I've liked.
Yeah, so far, not bad.
Next, we got more things that I can't read. Okay, no. Thai coconut roll with natural banana.
I'm not a big fan of coconut.
But you're a big fan of banana.
I like banana. Oh, those look kind of cute. Yeah, they're like, there's a hole in them.
First hit of taste, you can taste the coconut, but then it gets more into a mix of it.
I like the texture a lot. It's really light and crispy. I like that a lot. I taste the banana. The coconut isn't super strong though. It's not that bad.
It's not like a ooh, I love it, but it's like
Yeah.
This one is air sealed, Main Napa sticky rice with coconut cream and mango.
Again, coconut. Mango I love.
But of course, you gotta remember, you didn't really.
Is it wet?
It looks wet. Does that not look wet?
Oh yeah, it's shiny like it's wet.
Oh, it's wet.
Maybe it's just
Oh,
gooey.
it's wet. Yeah, it's gooey.
Yeah.
Oh no, I like the texture. Oh no. Actually, microwave for 15 seconds for better taste. You wanna go microwave that real quick? You wanna try it with microwave? Do you?
Yeah.
So, alright, so we now have microwaved the stick. Ooh, it's hot.
Ooh.
We've now microwaved the sticky rice or the Main Napa. Here is yours, piece.
Thank you.
Wait, I will. Oh, never mind. There is. Let's see. Oh. I don't know what that is in the middle, but
A little better.
I'm not gonna trust it.
I mean,
It doesn't taste that much better.
so far that's the one I like the least.
Definitely. Next, we got
Gummy?
more stuff I can't read. All I see is gummy. Oh, salty lime gummy candy. This looks like some big chew.
Yeah.
Some of the big league chew.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that.
That is weird.
It's got sugar on the outside.
It's weird. I never tasted like a lime candy.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
No. The sugar balances the
Sour.
tartness of the lime. Last but not least.
The Yum Bag. Which they've started putting in more regularly now.
Yeah. Usually we get candies and stuff in these. Whoa.
Oh, okay. I fell over the place now.
Oh, I see more lemon.
There is some lemon, there is some lime, I think. So first, we got pineapple.
Ooh.
Same brand, actually.
I like pineapple. Is it like a hard candy?
I think so.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. It's a little shape of a heart. Oh my god.
Like really gooey. Mine's really sticky. I can't get it out. Is it good?
Mm.
Yeah. Pineapple.
I'm not gonna finish it for obvious reasons. We're gonna keep going. Next, we got Usua by not the same brand. Banana Chews. This is a chewy one.
Mm. My nose is itching.
Try to get this here. Tiny slit. And then rip. There we go. This is a kind of beet looking, like.
That's a weird color.
Yeah. Mm.
Is it good?
Awesome. What do I taste coconut?
Oh, I don't know. And they get rid of the sucker.
It isn't bad, but it's weird.
Mm.
It's some more of my fried shrimp sushi roll.
So which was your favorite? That one, really?
Yeah, actually. Mm. No, it tastes like a Spam sushi.
Yeah.
This tastes like Spam sushi. Oh yeah. What's your favorite?
Honestly, I think, considering I don't like spice, I think these sweet and spicy things I like the most.
What was your least favorite? I think we can both agree on the least favorite. The sticky rice.
The sticky rice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I like eating.
That's the video.
Hungry much?
This is,
I'll wait until I put more in my mouth.
This is $15 a month, and you get foods from every part of the world.
Yes. And I think I might have a link or a discount code below. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But no, I don't think they offer that. And I wasn't able to get one. But that's okay. So anyway.
That is the end of the video for us.
Yes. We do really like this subscription. And we have fun doing it every month. So hope you had fun with us. And if you ever want to try any of these products, you, I don't know, we can't tell you the names because we couldn't pronounce any of them. But yeah, that was our Universal Yums, our Yum Box for the month of July with the country of Thailand. Curious to see what we get next month.
Definitely. From what it looks like, it's either going to be Portugal, Spain, or Croatia.
Croatia will be interesting.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So that is it. Thank you.
Thank you.
We love you hanging out with us and coming to see us and visit us.
And we will see you guys in the next video soon.
We appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.